All of you. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
So, you know what? This question, where are you from?
We're from Finland.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perdai aš atsiprašysiu, excuse me, batus mums nusiaukėt, ne?
Oh, sorry.
Shoes could stay on your...
We can leave it.
Yes, no, take a look.
Wow.
Va, tai čia ne visi gyventų, ne visi. Negyventų kalbų mergaitės. But see, if you start to live right here, you have to pay 12,000 litres for 2 current months and 1 like a deposit.
Nice. Second floor? Great. It's like a castle.
So it's his flat, right? His rent.
No, it's his son apartment, but he has all rights to rent it.
Okay.
I want to ask you, is it possible to put nails into wall?
Nails?
Yes, like
No.
no?
No.
Because I have many pictures of the sea.
Wait for a second. Klausia, ar galima būtų įkalti Venecijos sienas dėl paveikslo? Aš sakau, kad ne.
Nežinau, reikia atsiklausyti, bet jeigu jie nori paveikslus pasiimti, nėra kaip ir drausti, tai vis tiek, jeigu jie gyvens ilgai, tai tada yra prasmės remontą vis tiek reikia daryti.
Po to jau.
Tada jau nieko tokio baisaus ir jie
pakabinti. It could be, I will ask the owner, the real owner. It might be okay, but it depends on the amount of your pictures.
Yeah.
Some pictures for
Pasakiau, kad priklauso kiek tų paveikslų, jeigu ten jų daugybė, tai, furnitures, yes. As you can see, there is no point.
Where is the sun?
The sun rises right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say you see Gediminas Castle.
Yeah.
Just approximately right here.
Mm-hmm.
It depends on the season, In the summertime, it rises on the left side. And could you tell me, please, again, about periods of contract? Why there is 3 years?
Why 3 years?
Yes.
Because I'm working here.
So you would stay here?
Yeah. And my husband maybe comes, he's from Finland, and comes here.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know when.
Okay. And, okay, so you...
Yeah. And I want to...
But all they will be changed, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Just on each year? Okay.
Yes. And I want to ask, can I take here some birds?
Birds?
Yes. I grow strange birds.
What birds do you have?
Canary.
Mm-hmm.
But not so. I'm work with birds, and I have 2 peacocks. With that.
I know.
So can we take here?
Paukščius 2 turi. Būtų galimybė juos laikyti ar ne? 2 paukščius.
Įsigyti?
Ne, laikyti. Tarsi, tai yra gyvūnėliai, jo naminiai, tai yra paukščiai.
Tai gal nepadrasys.
But they are big and colorful.
I know. It's some kind of like arrows or not?
What?
Arrows.
It's peacock, with that beautiful tail, which yes, something like that. Something this. Yeah.
No, I think...
They are working everywhere, so they make some...
How much is his size? How...
And the tail is long.
Jo, tai...
But just he's big when he that is.
Norėt skaityti čia.
Yes,
Not so
my,
much, but maybe he knows.
I think no. I will ask Deona,
Yeah, okay.
but I think
But maybe there is a possibility still to have something a little bit like outside, at least for the summer, so then maybe to keep.
I understood that, but it would be in summertime only, you know.
Yeah, but yeah.
Tai
Smaller and bigger.
aš paklausiu Andriaus dėl tų paukščių. Man tai nepatinka tai, kad jie yra dideli.
Ir tokie dideli
Ne.
paukščiai ir ką
Ne.
kambarį vaikščiusi, čia bus kažkur laikomi.
Kažkur tai
Namuose.
Jo, turėtų ale narvus.
Ar namuose laikys, ar čia būtų?
No, they have that.
They have special cages for them. It's just that sometimes they need to walk because otherwise they will.
Okay, or in case he would make a shit, you know.
And so it's the same like with any domestic animal, we just clean it.
Okay.
And not a big problem, just like.
Small
I could
cabins.
say you from my side.
Yeah.
It is not. It is very bad. I'm sure that for this would not be. Deona would not be, you know, positive for this thing. I will ask him, but I think no.
I think about it, where I can.
That's why we were looking for something really spacious and to have like that those peacocks also can have some walk.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions?
Some
Yeah.
Russian.
Okay.
So like.
It's you know, in case that the birds would be not so big, Deona would say yes.
Yeah.
Maybe we can send some
Yeah,
pictures
send
or
some-
something like
Yes, you could send me the pictures. I could just send it to Deona.
yeah.
But I'm not sure it would.
Okay.
But there is one additional thing that is birds. You know,
Yeah.
and I think, as I said, it won't be good. But I was there.
Okay.
Want to see more?